With the fall season fast approaching, I thought that this would be a great idea to put a spin on my mother's old classic, which was ham, corn, and potato chowder. And of course, you know, I had to remix it and make it my own, which I made it a creamy smoked turkey chowder with corn, potatoes, and cabbage. So here I am making it. It's actually a very simple dish. I would say it's a 30-minute meal after everything's prepped, of course. But I'm adding the link in my bio, and you can check it out on YouTube, the exact recipe and instructions on how to make it. It's delicious, it's hearty, and it's great for the season that's approaching with the cold weather coming in. It's very much enjoyable.